Sloganeering, chanting, chaos and commotion followed by detention. This sit-in protest was clearly the biggest Sansad showdown we have seen between the opposition and the Election Commission, but also against the government of the centre in a long time. The charge was about Election Commission allegedly and the voter fraud list that they are attempting in. More in this report, what exactly happened.
The face-off between the opposition and the Election Commission played out on the streets of Delhi on Monday. Escalating the showdown over the special intensive revision of voter list in Bihar, which will soon be implemented across the country. India Bloc MPs took out a march from Parliament to the Election Commission headquarters, but the protest led by leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi was blocked by Delhi police. Despite the police barriers, several MPs, including SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav, scaled the barricades. Some protesters, including TMC MP Mahua Moitra, fainted. The police later detained several MPs, foiling their march.
ये जो लड़ाई है, ये राजनीतिक नहीं है, ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की लड़ाई है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बचाने की लड़ाई है, वन मैन वन वोट की लड़ाई है। इसीलिए हमें साफ प्योर वोटर लिस्ट चाहिए।
डरे हुए हैं, कायर हैं, सरकार कायर है।
The government hit back at the opposition, calling the allegations of rigging baseless.
ईवीएम के ऊपर झूठ बोलते हैं, कभी महाराष्ट्र की बात उठाते हैं, कभी हरियाणा की बात उठाते हैं, झूठ की वो एक नया पहाड़ बनाते हैं।
रोज रोज एक मुद्दे को लेकर के पार्लियामेंट का समय बर्बाद करना, ये हम लोग इस तरीके के जो समय बर्बाद करने के लिए देश का समय और संसद का समय बर्बाद करने के लिए हम नहीं देंगे, इसलिए महत्वपूर्ण बिल हम पारित करेंगे।
With assembly elections in Bihar approaching, the stakes are high and the standoff between the opposition and the Election Commission is far from over. With Piyush Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.